Today I am going to be covering a question I get asked a lot, especially through Instagram. What are the best law of attraction books out there? Luckily for everyone who is interested, I am going to answer that question right now. The books I am going to list are ones that I have personally read or know someone that has and received amazing results from it. There will be some familiar titles on this list, but hopefully some you've never even heard of as well. So let's begin, shall we? Number 1. Ask and it is given. I think every law of attraction book list has this one toward the top. The book is called Ask and it is Given and is written by Esther and Jerry Hicks about the teachings of Abraham. For those of you who don't know what Abraham is, I recommend searching YouTube for Abraham Hicks and you'll soon become familiar. The reason this book pops up on my list is because it really does discuss the true nature of life and the law of attraction. The message is simple. Ask for what you want and relax knowing it is on the way to you. In other words, it talks about living a life filled with joy and ease, and doing that will get you to your desires quicker than stress and worry. The book speaks truth to anyone who might be going through rough patches in their life, suffering from conditions like anxiety, or anybody who just wants to live a much more relaxed lifestyle. It is the law of attraction at its most positive and basic form, and I would 100% consider checking it out if you haven't already. Number 2. The Secret. You could have guessed this one would be on here, right? The Secret, of course, is the book that began many people's introduction to the law of attraction. Since being released in 2006, this book became an instant bestseller along with its film attachment. If you are new to the law of attraction and are trying to grasp it and get down the basics of it, this is definitely a good start. It's filled with a lot of great beginner information, including excerpts from great law of attraction experts like Bob Proctor and Jack Canfield. Whether you are a law of attraction pro or just starting out, if you haven't checked out The Secret yet, it's a must. Number 3. The Joshua Diet. Many people, even lower pros, might be twisting and turning their head at this one because they've never heard of Joshua before. Joshua is still up and coming and doesn't have near the popularity as Abraham Hicks. However, the power of Joshua's message may be even bigger than that of Abraham's. Like Abraham, Joshua is a group of channeled energies speaking through a man known as Gary Temple Bodley. Joshua teaches almost all of the same concepts as Abraham Hicks, but really takes it up a notch. Joshua is much more specific when talking about fears and limiting beliefs. Their most impactful discussions, in my view, are about negative emotion and how our fears are only based around not wanting to feel anything negative. The Joshua Diet is kind of a diet book, but not really. There's no nutrition plan to follow or exercise regime. The diet that is discussed in this book is more like a life diet. How to live your life to your full potential using the power of the universe as your guide. Joshua touches on the difference between rational and irrational fear and really inspired me to create my Overcoming Fear to Activate the Law of Attraction course that's available right now on Udemy. Overall, the Joshua Diet is probably my favorite law of attraction book, and if I were you, I would keep your eyes peeled for more Joshua content because any day now they are going to become massively popular. Number 4. Manifest your ex back. Probably one of the biggest questions I get online is how can someone manifest an ex-boyfriend back? I will personally tell you right off the bat, I have not read this book myself, but a colleague of mine did, and she said the information in this book can really help you manifest that person that might have gotten away. This is a relatively short book, 92 pages, written by Amanda Walters. It isn't available anywhere except her website, however the information in it should not be ignored. The book covers exercises like boosting confidence, feeling sexier, visualizing, deep breathing, and affirmations, all relating to getting back your ex. While this book is a little off the beaten path when it comes to the law of attraction, I included it in my list because there are many people out there who truly are looking for the information that this book provides. It is one of the only books written about using the law of attraction to get an ex back, and from the information I've heard and gathered, it is short, sweet and to the point. Plus, at less than $10 and being able to instantly download it, there's no reason not to give it a shot. Number 5. Wealth Beyond Reason. This is the first law of attraction book I ever read and is still one of my favorites. Bob Doyle, who you may recognize from The Secret, provides incredible information on how you can manifest unlimited wealth into your life. He teaches about energy, visualization, letting go, and staying disciplined when it comes to waiting on the universe to send you the money you seek. He provides real-life examples from his own life and how he goes about certain situations to continue to attract massive amounts of wealth into his life. One of my favorite parts is when he talks about tuning into the frequency of your thoughts, and when you do that enough it will start to become your reality. It's a fun book that will give you all the information you need to put some more dollars in your pocket through the law of attraction. In addition to the book, which is available on Amazon.com, Bob Doyle also has an incredible online Wealth Beyond Reason course where his videos and lectures will teach you step-by-step methods to master the law of attraction and attract mountains of money. Number 6. Wishing Well. Wishing Well by Stephen Hall is another ebook that not many have heard about, but I believe it is hands down the best step-by-step manifestation guide there is. I used the techniques in this book to manifest a trip to Las Vegas last year when I had hardly any money in my account. It allowed me to manifest extra money at work, free airline tickets, and a hotel rate of only $20 a night at a brand new hotel on the Vegas Strip. I know from personal experience this book is amazing and it works. There are lots of other positive testimonials and reviews on this book, and many people have been able to manifest things as big as houses and cars. For less than $10, Wishing Well is an amazing step-by-step law of attraction manifestation book that is worth checking out for yourself. As of this writing, on the Wishing Well website, if you purchase Wishing Well you also get 3 other free law of attraction ebooks as well, including Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It's probably around $50 worth of books that you get for the one price of $9.99. Please, let me know in the comments below. I would like to really hear your opinion. If you have found this video helpful, please like this video. It really means a lot to me. And if you think it might help one of your friends, don't be shy and share this video with them as well. That way, we all can help people we care about to live happier life. And if you didn't do so yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to receive more informational videos that will improve your health and lifestyle. Thank you for watching this Best Manifestation Books 2020 video, and I will see you on our next video.